Okay, so we're down to day 3. We're going to review sequence of transformations. Now, the standard we're going to cover is to be able to do sequence of transformations in the coordinate plane. What you're going to learn is you're going to review how to perform a reflection, a rotation, and a translation. A reflection is a flip, and you may have to flip over a certain line or a certain axis. A rotation means to turn. A translation means to slide. And a sequence of transformation is when you can do a flip, a turn, and a slide all at the same time, or you can do 2 of them at one time. Clockwise means to go to the right. Counterclockwise means to turn to the left. And you're good from there. Alright, so let's try this one together. It says create your own preimage and give the coordinates and graph it. I am going to create 1 point to make this simple for you guys. So I am going to do 1 point, and I'm going to call this point A. Now you can create whatever you want to. And my point for A is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5 and 5. Alright, now it says to reflect the preimage across the line y equals x. So y equals x is a slanted line that goes through 0, 0. Alright, so this is my line, y equals x. And if y equals -x, you would turn it the other way. So here's y equals x. So we need to reflect over this line. So we want to mirror. There are lots of ways to mirror this. Lots and lots and lots of ways. You can draw where you can draw a line, get to here, and then draw the line straight out to get to where you need on the other side. There is a rule. You can Google that rule. I'll tell you what the rule is once I show you another way to do it. Show it this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count. So I'm going to count. I'm 1, 2, 3. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm 10 spaces away from this line. So I'm going to go 10 spaces down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is the new spot. This is my A prime so far. So that was the first thing I need to do. A is the preimage. A prime is the image. This ordered pair here for A prime is 5 and -5. So if you look at the rule, then the rule tells you, I'm just double checking, the rule tells you if you reflect across the line y equals x, you just flip the x and y coordinate. That's the rule. That is it. So you flip them and you take the opposite sides. Nope, you don't even take the opposite sides. You just flip them. That is the rule. Or you could have drew a line and count how many diagonal spaces you are, and then count how many diagonal spaces you are from the other side. That's another way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's down there at your corner where it's going to be. So you can do it that way also. And let me make sure this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So there are lots of ways you can look at this, or you can fold your paper across this line y equals x and see where it ends up at on the other side, because these should be mirroring images. Now the next one says to translate it 2 units to the left. So I'm going to take my point A and I'm going to move it 2 units to the left. So here is A and I'm going to go 1, 2. That's my 2 units to the left. So that is my A double prime. And then it says rotate 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So you put your finger on the origin and you're going to rotate your whole paper 1 turn to the right. So let me show you how to do this. And this is how you can physically perform your rotations. There are rules to those too. Okay, so copy, okay, and then let's just slide this in here, paste. Alright, so here is how I'm going to perform the rotation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my whole paper, flip it, turn it to the right, because it said 90 degrees clockwise. And if you see, 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So my A double prime is now my A triple prime when you turn the paper. So this is A. This now becomes my A triple prime. And the last direction said was to give the coordinates. So we already have it graphed, so you don't have to worry about the graph part. And then you just read the coordinates. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're -5 and 1, 2, 3. So your A triple prime, which is the last spot, is, we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we're in the, this is the spot we're looking at now. So -5 and 1, 2, 3, down 3. So there you go. That is your final sequence in the transformations, and that's it. So you can make however many points you want in your pre-image and make it go from there. Okay, here is what you need to do, and I will see you guys on the next go around.